Skinners, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to measure for a window screen properly, and then show you the proper installation. So with this type of window, the window screen installs from the outside, and so we're going to measure from the outside of the window frame to the outside of the window frame and get our dimensions right here. So we're going to get our inside dimensions, and that's 22, and then we'll measure from down here at the bottom at this little cutout up to the bottom of the window sash, and then we're going to add 1/8 of an inch, so that's 29 3/4 plus 1/8 of an inch, so that's 29 7/8 inches. And on this we're going to have tension springs which keep tension on the screen once it's in place. All right, so we have our replacement window screen. It's got tension springs, slide-in leaf springs on the top that hold tension on the screen when we install it, and then it has pull tabs at the bottom so the customer can lift it out from the inside and push it out. But we just install them from the outside. There's a little groove up top that the spring inserts into, so we'll insert the springs into the groove, press up at the corners, get our handy tool out, lift the screen up a little bit, and it pops right into place, just like that. One screen installed. Skinner's Custom Screens. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, watch our videos, and like and share. Thanks for watching Skinner's Custom Screens.